Hi guys, welcome back to Blind Leading the Blind. Today we're working on Project Yamma Mini and I'm going to be refitting the cam cover, which involves taking off the old gasket, cleaning up the mating faces and putting some oil in the top of the engine just to lubricate it ready for startup when that happens further down the line, fit the new gasket and then the cam cover. So on we go. Right, let's remove this old gasket. Some of you may be wondering why I'm using a little wire brush. You can use emery cloth or sandpaper for cleaning gasket faces, but I've done it in the past for donkey's years actually, but some manufacturers, having worked for one, don't like the use of them because when the grit rubs away it drops in the engine components, and if you're only doing something like this where it's still oily and sticky, the grit sticks there and then acts like a bit of a grinding paste when you restart the engine. It's alright if you've got the engine completely stripped out and you're washing all the parts off, but this is why I'm just using this wire brush, and it's not very dirty anyway, it's pretty clean, there's no gasket residue on there really, just doing it as a matter of practice. back in, I'm going to just drop these coil packs down the spark plug holes, just in case I happen to drop the cap head Allen bolts when I'm putting the water pipe back in. Right, so get up. That's that all done. Cam cover fitted, new gasket, coolant top pipe fitted, job done. So trying to think what's next time. Next time could be either fuel rail or front hubs painting and preparing to fit to car. If you like this video, please remember to hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Bye.